hello everyone. I'm here. Good morning. Today's topic is the weather. We must make a distinction between the weather and the time. The time is told by a clock. What's the time? What time is it? It's 5 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock, it's midnight. The weather refers to weather general conditions outside. The usual question is, what's the weather like? For example, what's the weather like in London? So when you ask what is someone or something like, you ask information about something or someone. The weather in London is or it's. And let's see some vocabulary. So it's stormy. There are big black clouds, thunders and lightnings. It is raining. So now, at the moment, it is raining or it is rainy. So the weather general condition for today is this one, it's rainy. Again, it is snowing now or it is snowy. What's the weather like? It is windy or the wind is blowing. Blow is soffiare. What's the weather like? It is cloudy, and we can also say it is partially cloudy. Another question referring to the weather is, what's the temperature? The temperature is or it's. For example, the temperature is 10 degrees, the temperature is 4 degrees, or if it is below 0, we can say the temperature is -2, the temperature is -5 degrees, etc., etc. Note the difference. What's the weather like in Edinburgh in the summer, and what's the weather like in Edinburgh now? So again, distinction between present simple and present continuous, because the first question refers to a usual, a common situation in the summer, so it's kind of routine, present simple. And the second question refers to the weather in Edinburgh now, at the moment. For example, we can say the weather in Edinburgh in the summer is sunny but cold, and now in Edinburgh it's raining, or the sun is shining, or it is snowing, or it is cloudy. So again, pay attention to the differences between present simple and continuous. So present simple is used with months. So let's revise months of the year. So that's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And the weather in Edinburgh in the summer is, so let's revise the 4 seasons. So that's, can you see it? That's the autumn, when leaves are falling, and note that in American English we say fall, not autumn, we say fall. That's the spring. That's the summer, when it's hot or boiling. That means really, really hot, and the sun is shining. And that's the winter. In this picture, it's very cold, it's snowing, and there is a big snowman. And let's focus on past simple of the verb to be. So what was the weather like yesterday in London? It was. So that's the same question as before, but in the past simple. And there is a table here. So let's have a look at it. Positive form is I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, and they were. Negative form is I was not, you were not, he was not, we were not, and they were not. And the short form is I wasn't, you weren't, he wasn't, we weren't, and they weren't. And question form, that remember that that's the verb to be, so we have to make an inversion between the subject and the verb. So is was I, were you, was he, she, it, were we, and were they. A couple of examples with questions and short answers. Were you at the cinema last weekend? No, I wasn't. Were Alice and Tom at school yesterday? Yes, they were. So remember that we have the full form in positive answers and the short form in negative answers. That's all for now. And I must say that today the weather in Zara is cold and cloudy. And yesterday it was sunny but cold. Have a nice day, everybody. See you. Bye-bye.